Okay, hey guys. Want to get you familiar with how to hook your robots up to the laptop so that you can get the programming. You need two things. This is your robot. This is an MBot, and this is the device that you're going to be using to program the obstacle course. All right. The other piece that's in your box is the USB cable. This is to allow it to be programmed. So, what you're going to be doing is if you look at this on the top, it says USB. And what you want to do is you want to take this plug and you want to get it into the USB port so that it's plugged in here. Before it goes to the computer, please make sure the robot is turned off during this phase. All right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to kick you over to um, my GoPro camera, and we'll show you where this goes on here. So once I'm done with this, I've got my robot over here now, and you can see that it's sitting next to the computer. You're basically going to take this and you're going to plug it into the USB port on the side of the computer. So you want to get it into here and make sure that it's plugged in. All right. During this time, you'll notice now that it says a USB device has connected. Which is okay, but you want to make sure that when you plug it in, you already have your program up and running, that you've already logged in. First thing you want to do, when you log in the first time, you'll have this CyberPi thing here. Go ahead and hit the X button on that CyberPi that's right over here on this side. Go ahead and get rid of that, and yes, we want to delete that. All right. Then we need to go back over to that left-hand side right here. You're going to hit the Add button. And we want to make sure that we bring up the MBot. It's in the second row. And you're going to click on the MBot and hit OK. Now we should have the MBot on here. Now notice, right here in this box, the MBot should be at the top. You have Bluetooth and serial. What we want to do at this point is turn the MBot on. He might move. He shouldn't. He should just sit here. But if he does, just pick him up and hold him off the ground until he is done moving. Which he's still moving. Okay, he's done. So leave him on right there. Now what you want to do is you want to hit the serial button, and you can see this big list of stuff comes up, but it says USB serial TTY USB 0. You want to select that and hit connect. And now it says I am connected to my robot. All right? From here, this is where you're going to program the robot as we go through this. So we want to go to, right now you can see here it says live. You do not want live. You want to get it to upload. All right. Once you do that, we are going to pick action buttons. Again, you always have to start with when MBot starts up. You must have that. And then I am going to pick an action button. We're going to have him move forward at 50% power. And I'm going to change that to 5 seconds. The important piece here is that he is plugged in by cable, and we are on upload. So you go up here to upload code, and you'll get a box saying that this progress is starting, and he is uploading the software to the MBot. And when that is done, you should be able to unplug the cables, turn him off, take him to your start finish line or your start line, and then turn him back on, and he will execute the code as you see it. That is how you get him to upload the code. This process is typically a little faster than this, but you know that technology. So hopefully this will show you how to, because once this is uploaded, you can unplug, you shut him off, and then you can unplug, uh, test him. And when that doesn't work, or if you need to modify, you will plug him back in again. And once he's plugged back in again, you can, once you get him plugged back in again, you can obviously change the programming, re-upload the programming, and then go test him again. So now that the code is done and it's uploaded, it will clear the screen. I can go ahead and turn him off. I can then unplug him from the laptop. And now I have my robot ready to go. And when I turn him on, he'll just automatically, so I'm going to set him down on my start finish line, and then I'm going to turn him on, and he automatically takes off and runs for 5 seconds. And that's how you program and get your robot to go. Hope that helps. As of course, if you have any questions, come find me around the room. I'm here to help you guys figure this all out. So the goal is to get you programming and get your robot through the track. Have a great afternoon, everybody.